Hey, Arrow here. Going to do a little video. Got a huge cantaloupe here. See? Going to hit you up against the target. That way maybe I can get this done. Alright, be right back. Got something to show you. Okay, I'm going to try experiment with 3 different arrows. One regular broadhead, one of my homemade broadheads, another with stone tip. I'm not shooting at the target's right here. That's out in the middle somewhere else. And one with these. So that's 4 different shots I'm going to be making. Then we'll compare how each one went, okay? Alright, be right back. Alright, first one we're doing is a field tip. Right, I can hit it. Alright, as you can see, almost halfway through. Alright, pull this out. Right in here. I'm going to do the stone tip. Stone tip arrow. Alright. Alright, see? Penetrated. It went in that far, probably a good 6-7 inches. Alright, now my homemade broadhead. Holy mackerel! Holy mackerel! It's kind of surprises me. Look how far it went. I'm maybe 6 feet away when I shoot. The point actually sticks out. It went in that far, and the point stuck out maybe 1 inch. Alright, now it's a good one. The Green Arrow broadhead. It's not green, but it's black, but this is what type he uses on the show. Alright? Well, that's going to be a redo, because it nicked the top, so I'm going to try it again. Whoa, missed it. Try it again. I'm better shot than that. Don't say anything. Finally. Well, look what we got. Almost all the way through, so all in all, this is the better one. The Eskimo Zwickey arrowheads, I would suggest getting them because of the penetration power. Well, also, I'm just going to give me another arrowhead. This one got bent. Not sure it's on the way out or through, but it peeled it back, so it's a good little trophy. Alright, I'm going to do this again, off camera, and just I'm going to take pictures of it. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I will load this up on Facebook for sure. Maybe YouTube if I can. I'm having to borrow a phone. And I'm not sure if it has internet or not. But hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. And enjoy the rest of the day. Have a good weekend. Arrow signing off.